5 side hustles to quit your day job in 90 days. Number 5, content creation and affiliate marketing. What is it? Content creation, you putting valuable things out there on YouTube, TikTok, Instagram. People like your videos, people subscribe to you, you get monetized. That's a long version. Affiliate marketing is similar, but instead of you putting content out there just about random stuff, the first thing you want to do is sign up for an affiliate program. There's literally thousands of affiliate programs out there. If you're using any softwares right now, 9 times out of 10, they've got an affiliate program. Usually it's all the way on the bottom of the page and it just says affiliate. If not, reach out to support and ask them, how do you sign up for their affiliate program? Once you get your affiliate link, you're going to start making videos about that software. So if you're using a software like PropStream, for example, you're going to make videos on how to use PropStream, and then you're going to tell people, hey, you might as well go ahead and sign up for this, get the free trial, blah, 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 use my link in the description, and boom, there you go. So you're going to do this for 5 to 10 or more different companies. And every week you're going to create 1 to 3 videos about this software, and you're going to post it, you're going to make shorts, and you're going to do all of that stuff. And you're always going to make sure that you put a call to action at the end of the video. Like, subscribe, share, and sign up for my free trial. The link is in the description. Number 4, online tutoring or consulting. There's a lot of people that will be willing to pay you for your knowledge in whatever it is. So for example, if you're really good at math, 9 times out of 10, somebody will pay you to tutor them in math. If you have experience in, say, real estate, or you have experience in growing a restaurant, a potential real estate agent or a restaurant owner would 100% pay you for your advice on how to get them started. And the thing is, you don't have to be a complete expert at any of this stuff. If you know more than the person that is looking to learn, they'd be willing to pay you for just what you know. So to get started, you go figure out, what are you good at? Once you figure out what you're good at, put a price range on it. You probably want to start off at like $15, $20 an hour, or even more depending on where you are. If you're in states like California or something, and then you just want to base it on that. Like if you're getting a lot of attention, then you want to go up on your prices. And if you're not getting enough attention, you want to go down on your prices and just adjust accordingly as you move forward. The second thing you want to do is promote your service. You want to do that on social media. It's best to start off with people that you actually know, so your circle of influence. For fulfillment purposes, once you're teaching these people these things, you could do it either Zoom call, a Google Meet call, or you can even put together a little course and just sell the course. In reality, the possibilities are endless. Number 3, freelancing. Freelancing is a lot like the last one, which is online tutoring and consulting, but this one is strictly about businesses. So every small business and every business everywhere, they always need some type of help. Whether it's someone to write email copy for them, graphic design, creating a logo, building a website, any of these things. There's a small business somewhere that is always looking for somebody to do these things for them. And the good thing about this is that it's a project by project basis. So you put your stuff out there, you put your feelers out there, people contact you, you give them an estimate, you do the job, deliver the product, you collect your money, and then you move on to the next one. And usually freelancing costs quite a bit of money, especially for things like website building, email copy, or blog creation and things like that. Another big one is social media management. These things are tedious, so you could have long-term work if you learn how to do these things and then you offer these things to small businesses. So how to get started? I advise going on YouTube, looking at a bunch of videos, learning how to do these things, or you could jump into Go High Level. The link is in the description, and they have pre-made templates that you could use and pass off as your own personal creations and advertise those to small businesses. And it's really just drag and drop. And then you can use AI for the email and the blog posts. Again, like I said in the last video, as long as you know how to do something better than your client, they're willing to pay you to do it for them. Again, some freelancer sites that you can post on, freelancer.com, Upwork, Fiverr. But other than that, you can jump into Facebook, jump into these business groups, and just look at the posts. If people are asking for help, reach out to them and offer your services to them. Number 2, dropshipping, or e-commerce in general. Now, if you're unfamiliar with dropshipping is the process of having a store that's online where people go buy stuff from, but you never actually have those products. So people buy stuff from you, then you buy it from someone else, and then they ship it to the person that bought it from you, and you collect the difference. So A, B, C. A is the customer, B is you, the middleman, C is the supplier. So A buys earbuds from you for $15. You buy those same earbuds from C for $5, and they ship it to A for you. You never have to touch any product or anything. Now, another way you could do it is an actual e-com store, which is having actual product. And what you could do is you could go to these stores that are online, buy things very cheap in bulk, and store them somewhere. And then you could do all the shipping yourself. But I highly recommend, if you want to open up a store, you get started with dropshipping. So one, you find a service to create your store with. I recommend using AutoDS because you connect it to a bunch of different stores. You can get the link to that in the description. Grab AutoDS, open up a Amazon store, load your products up into your Amazon store. And the reason why I choose Amazon to be your first one is because Amazon does the majority of the marketing for you. They already have the traffic going to Amazon, so you don't have to do any extra marketing or email campaigns or anything like that. So start with Amazon, and then if you want to branch off and open your own store later, then you do that. But if you want to do that now, I can recommend Salvia. You can actually find that link in the description of this video as well. And just a heads up on things that sell a lot: baby stuff sells, female product sales like hair products, and electronics, tech accessories, phone covers, screen protectors, earbuds, chargers, things like that. So load your store with things like that, and you're gonna make sales automatic. Number one, my personal favorite, real estate wholesaling. The reason why real estate wholesaling is number one is because the checks that you can get from this is astronomical. You can get a check from anywhere from $1,000 all the way up to hundreds of thousands of dollars. An associate of mine, Bobby, closed a deal out in Texas a couple years back, $172,000, his first wholesale deal. So what is real estate wholesaling? Real estate wholesaling is selling paper. I'll explain. You find somebody that's selling the house for cheap, you get that under contract, and then you sell that contract to an end buyer for a profit. Literally, it's that simple. If you want to get started wholesaling, I have a free course that I offer. You can find the link in the description, True Freedom Through Real Estate Wholesaling. But some hands-on actionable steps. Number one, you can start driving for dollars. And when you drive around looking at houses, you look at houses with tall grass, snow that hasn't been plowed, boarded up windows, houses that just look overall distressed. You write that address down, you Google that, find the owner, talk to them, ask them if they want to sell the house. But again, you can find everything that you need in my free community, the Wolves Den, including my course, True Freedom Through Real Estate Wholesaling. But guys, if you want the full 5 side hustles to quit your job in 90 days, grab it. It's in the description. And I hope you guys got value from this.